Baby Nathan.
Tatay, nag-vlog pa. Basag.
Ikaw wala dapat ninong yan eh. Baby Nathan, 3 points. The baby vlogger of the new generation. Ayan. Yan ang ninong mo. Baby Nathan, hindi ka maninong mo gwapo. Hindi mo ninong mo. Magninong pala kayo. Bagay pala kayo magninong eh. Yan, baby Nathan. Dahil tawanan mo si ninong. Dali. Ninong, dali. Magbibigay na 100 niya pang gatas mo. Dali.
Basag, wala kang pera.
Tig show.
O, dali na.
Sigurado naman to. Bis na to. Di ba? TikTok muna ako. Diba? Dali lang.
Tatay.
Lang, TikTok lang tayo. Yan. I wanna ride the bed of roses. For tonight, I sleep on the bed of nails. I'll be just as roses. The Holy Ghost is and lay you on the bed of roses. Well, these autumn bars are over with his gone right. Our keeper weeks look and just giving me the eye. I might have said yeah, but I laughed so hard I think yeah. Nagtama. I wanna lay you down in the bed of roses. For tonight, I sleep on the bed of nails. I wanna be just as roses. Holy Ghost is and lay you down. Come on. Nakatapos. May libing